Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you again for stopping by. First of all, wish you all a very happy new year. I know it is too late to wish. Better late than never, right? Thank you all for your support and love in 2018. I hope this continues in 2019 too. And coming to today's video, it is a very easy recipe that you can prepare in no time and have it for any meal of the day. The ingredients you need are 1 cup Saggubeeyam or tapioca sago, 1 cup rice, equal parts of both and soak them overnight or at least for 8 hours. After 8 hours, drain the water, wash them thoroughly and grind them into smooth paste just like a dosa batter. And please do add required amount of water. Take them into separate bowl and then grind rice into paste and add that to the tapioca paste as well and mix them both very well by adding little amount of water. Please be careful when you are adding water. The consistency shouldn't be watery, should be same like dosa batter. And then add required amount of salt and mix them and keep it aside for 15 to 30 minutes. As I was also preparing tomato pickle, it took me around 40 minutes, so I let it rest for 40 minutes. And now, coming to the pickle, it's a tomato and cilantro pickle. The combination goes very well. First, take a pan, add some oil, around 2 tablespoons. Let the oil heat for a minute. Then add 5 to 6 red chilies, 2 tablespoons of chana dal, 2 teaspoons of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, pinch of turmeric and asafoetida. Mix them and let them splutter. Once they turn golden brown in color, transfer them into the mixer and let it cool down. In the meantime, cut 5 to 6 tomatoes into small cubes and 7 to 8 green chilies. And again in the same pan, heat a tablespoon of oil and add tomatoes, green chilies and add salt and let it cook for 10 minutes. Once it is cooked, then add a bunch of cilantro leaves and let it cook for a minute or two until the raw smell goes. And once everything is cooled down, add tamarind juice to the seasoning and grind everything into smooth paste. And once the pickle is done, keep it aside. And to the dosa batter, I added a small onion and few green chilies. And then take a tawa, heat it really good. The important thing for a good dosa is a very well preheated tawa. Let it smoke a bit and spread the batter normally like how you do it for regular dosas. And then add some oil on the top. And voila, your dosa is done. It is very simple. And finally serve it with your favorite chutney. And that is all for today, guys. I hope you liked my video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.